Hello viewers, welcome back to Raj Ka Garage. I hope everyone's staying home and staying safe. ये जो second wave है कोरोना का, it's a lethal one from what we saw last year. And I understand during this period, not many would have got the opportunity to start their bikes, be it any, I'm not just talking about or covering about the Honda Highness, but be it any bike that, primarily relies on its battery. और उसकी वजह से ये हो सकता है कि योर बैटरी मे गो डेड एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग ऐसा कोई वीडियो बनाना मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं था बिकॉज आई यूज टू फील दैट इट्स अ नेचुरल फेनोमेनन और नेचुरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट पीपल वुड हैव दैट आपको बाइक शुरू रखनी है या यू क्रैंक इट एटलीस्ट once or twice a week or at least once in 10 days at the max if you're not able to do that on a weekly basis but अभी रिसेंटली एक फोरम पे ऐसा पता चला कि पीपल आर नॉट डूइंग दैट एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज देयर हैज़ बीन एडवाइजेस गिवन टू जंप स्टार्ट Honda Highness with a car battery. So I'm just going to cover why you should not do this and what you should do if the battery goes down. So keep watching. Okay, so quickly, the reason I said you should not use four-wheeler batteries to jumpstart a two-wheeler is because of the capacity of the two-wheeler battery and the variation that we have in the four-wheeler battery. So if you look at any two-wheeler battery, the maximum you can see is in the old Royal Enfield Classic where there was a 14 amperes battery. Now even the new Classics has a 9 ampere battery, and what we have in the Highness is almost 6 amperes. And if you look at a car, be it any petrol or diesel vehicle, the minimum you would have is 35 amperes for petrol vehicles, and for most of the Maruti Honda vehicles would have a 35 ampere battery. If you go to Hyundai, they will have almost like a 40-45 ampere battery, and if you go to diesel batteries, they will be minimum 60-65 amperes. So this is like a comparison. If I have to draw a parallel, when you jump start a vehicle using a bigger capacity battery to start a battery which is a small capacity one, a drained one, it is like Mike Tyson punching, you may call Alia Bhatt or maybe a 10-year-old person. So utna bada wo spike hota hai, the jerk that will get to the to the entire system, not just the battery, the entire the fuel pump, your other electricals, the wiring harness, especially because the harness itself is designed to accommodate a particular load. Okay, the maximum it can go is up to 25-30 amperes. That's kind of and in fact the wiring harness is designed keeping in mind the amperes, the current. It is not the flow, the voltage, or neither the the wattage. It is all about the voltage, the amperes. Now if you use a high ampere battery, it may even possibly melt the wires or even burn the wires. Same applies to the battery. वो जो झटका होता है आपके जो cells होते हैं that will get damaged. These batteries are VRLA, so they have a gel separator in between, unlike the lead acid batteries where there is distilled water or lead acid in the batteries for the separators as a separator. But ये batteries उतना थोड़ा बहुत shock सह लेगी. Normally a lead acid would even burst, it may explode. And the problem here is everybody has this habit of, in the service industry, of saying chalta hai. This chalta hai attitude itself is a very wrong attitude. We all know that happens everywhere. आप होता क्या है, किसी मैकेनिक के पास जाते हो, कोई बैटरी का सर्विस वाला बंदा है, एंड ही सेज चलता है सब हम ऐसा ही करते आए हैं. दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट इट इज़ द राइट मेथड. दिस इज़ engineering. This is not stone age. Even stone age maybe there used to be some fundamentals. So don't deviate. So छोटा मोटा 10-20% deviation from I'll say the basic principles is okay, but not a kind of 100% deviation. In fact, I have seen people in my service industry days, लोग ऐसे भी होते थे कि जो कार की बैटरी अगर ड्रेन आउट है उसको अगर जंप करना है and there is no jump wire available, they used to literally invert the battery on the drained battery. The charged battery on the drained battery पे उल्टा रख के पोल टू पोल मैच करके, that is like a bomb. It can even explode. But लोग करते हैं because there is a difference between having knowledge of doing something and doing something for many years. Okay, so that's one thing. So please, it's a strict no. Don't do that. Don't let anybody do that. The best way is remove this battery, or it could be, like I mentioned, it's not just a Honda. It could be any bike. If your battery is drained out, remove the battery, remove the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. That's the way you always remove the battery. Always negative first, then positive. Even fitting में भी order reverse order, the positive first and then the negative. उसको निकालो, take it to a battery service shop, get it bench charged. Bench charges, you know, there is a charger, there is a charging apparatus they have. ओवरनाइट रखो और उसको वैसे चार्ज करो. दैट इज़ द बेस्ट मेथड. 50-60 रुपये जाएंगे उसमें, ज़्यादा नहीं जाएंगे. अनदर थिंग, यू नो, अवॉइड, यू नो, इवन इफ़ यू आर नॉट, और इवन इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग द व्हीकल वंस इन अ वीक, अवॉइड running or, you know, keeping the vehicle idling for a prolonged period. The reason being, if you look at this Honda Highness, ये silencer discoloration का बहुत issue आया है. And if you know, keep the vehicle idling for a prolonged period, आप उसको जगह पे ही रेस कर रहे हो, तो ये आपका silencer discoloration शुरू हो जाएगा. So avoid that unless you have a, you know, a very good ventilated place जहाँ पे cross winds चल रहा है and that is keeping the, you know, temperature down. The best part is go around for 2-3 kilometers at least, or you know, that is the way you can keep your battery charged if you're doing that once in a week. Of course, staying on the good side of law, not by breaking law, by venturing out in the lockdown. So that's it. That's what I wanted to cover. And one more request, you know, if you feel that this content, this video is helping you in any terms, please do a like as well as, you know, do subscribe the channel. I've seen that, you know, it's a humble request. I've seen that I know I'm not a regular post, you know, I don't publish regularly on YouTube, neither I am a travel vlogger, and, you know, there is a separate category for that kind of viewers. But I can see that, you know, monthly I get 25-30,000 views to my different videos all together, but the subscriber base does not increase, you know, the way I would actually like. So if you feel that, you know, these videos are actually helping you in some matter, please subscribe bhi kijiye. It will definitely encourage me a lot to post, you know, other kind of videos as well. So, you know, until then, I'll sign off from now, and stay home, stay safe until the next time we say happy riding. Thanks for watching.